Hey guys, welcome to my course on derivatives in Python from basics to advanced strategies. So here we'll study how we can incorporate different derivative trading strategies using Python. So in this video we will be covering installing Python, installing basic packages, seeing what are the different data types and all of these things. So yeah, let's begin installing Python. First go to your browser, go to google.com and search Anaconda download. Then go to download Anaconda distribution. Here you have to skip registration and then you have to download Anaconda based on the operating system you have. So we will be downloading the 64-bit graphic installer. So once it's downloaded, you just have to install the Anaconda. Then it will be ready to use. Now we'll be opening the Anaconda. So you will be seeing Anaconda Navigator in your Windows once it's downloaded. So you enter and open that. While it's opening, I'll also walk you through Anaconda prompt. This is another thing that we'll need to open to install packages. So yeah, we need to install a couple of packages before using Python as such. So first is a very basic package called Pandas. So the way we go about installing is Python -m pip install. So we install Pandas. It's already installed in mine. The next is NumPy. Then the next package that we will install is SciPy. So this is for scientific computing. Then we have Matplotlib. So as you would have understood, this is for data visualization. And the last package we would install for now is yfinance, which is to fetch the financial data. Okay, now once we have installed the Python packages, we will be seeing the different data types. So yeah, we would be using Jupyter for coding our code. So you would see Jupyter Notebook once Anaconda Navigator is launched. So you just click on launch. So yeah, Jupyter Notebook is launched. To code it, we go to File, we go to New, we go to New Notebook. We select the kernel, which is the Python 3 kernel SciPy. Now we are in Jupyter. So yeah, let's start. So we need to firstly import these packages. So the way we go about it is writing import pandas, and we would like to reference it as PD wherever we use it in our code. So we write it as PD. To run it, we press Control and Enter together. As you can see, it has been run successfully. Then we add another line. So now we'll go about and understand the different basic data types. So assume the stock price is say 150.25. We use print to display any particular item. So we use print stock price. So we get it as 150.25. So this is called float since it has decimals in it. The next part is, say if we want it in integer format. So we use int. So here int basically means integer. It will remove all the decimals that are present in that particular number, and to convert any particular value to number, you just write int and put that number or variable in brackets. Yeah. Now how can we store a string? So say we want to store the name of this stock, so we write stock underscore name, which is a variable name. Say it's an apple stock, so we write AAPL and we do control enter. So the name of the stock is stored in stock underscore name. Okay, now let's see how lists work. So now if we have multiple prices is equal to say we store them using square brackets, so 150.25 comma 151.5 comma 149.75 comma 152.00. Say we have these prices, we use control enter, we go to the next line. Now say we want to refer the first price in this particular list, then we use price is 0. So in Python the indexing starts from 0, so if we want to address the first number we use 0, to address the second one we use 1. So to access the first number in this list we use prices 0. That's how we get the first number. Again, if we want the integer value of this we use int round brackets, 150.25 becomes 150. Okay, now we will understand how dictionaries work. So in dictionaries, let's say stock data is a dictionary. Here we use curly braces to store the values in a dictionary. So yeah. So say the name of a stock is Apple, AAPL. Then the price is say 150.25 again. Say the volume that is traded for that particular stock. It is say something say 10,000. So here the way it works is the name of the stock. So name, then it is stored using colon, the whatever the value it's is you assign for the name. Similarly for price and volume, and these are separated by commas, and these come under curly braces. So we run this particular code again, it runs perfectly. So yeah, now let's print our stock data. So print stock underscore data, control enter. Yeah, so as you can see, it prints all the values properly for this particular stock data. So now say we want only the price for this particular stock. So go to stock data, use square brackets, write price in double quotes, click close. 150.25 is the price you get. Okay, then we can also perform simple arithmetic operations. Say you want to find a profit. So you have 150.25 minus say 150. So that's how you get the profit. Now again, this is stored in the variable. If you want to display the variable, you type print profit, control enter. That's how you get 0.25. You also use multiplication. So for example, this is the profit for one stock, right? Now you want to find a total profit. So we have the volume. So just go to stock underscore data volume. So Python is case sensitive. We'll have to use the same lowercase uppercase that we used while defining the values. So here we get 2500 as the total profit. So yeah, these were some of the basics. Now let's see how can we define a data frame. So data frame is nothing but more like an Excel sheet that we use in Pandas, use in Python. So firstly we import Pandas as PD, and also we import NumPy as MP. So we ran both of this. Next is creating a data frame. So the way we create a data frame is, let's name the data frame as data is equal to PD. So we use data frame PD dot data frame to create a data frame where we have the list of prices stored, and the column is called as price. So now once we run this, we see data, we get the prices in this particular format. So this is called a data frame. Now how can we use NumPy? So say we want the average of these prices, then the way we go about it is np dot mean. Mean is for average of all the prices. So that's how we get 150.875, which is the average of the above prices. So yeah, this is the majority of it for the first video, introduction to Python. You should practice more of this, explore more on your own, so that you're more comfortable with Python. So yes, so in this particular video, let's summarize what all we cover. So firstly, we covered how we can install Python. Secondly, we covered installing basic different packages in Python like Pandas, NumPy, SciPy, Matplotlib. Next, we covered lists, dictionary, and data frame. So this was an example of a list, this was an example of a dictionary, and this is an example of a data frame. This might sound overwhelming to you, but as we progress, you would be more comfortable and would be able to use Python and these functions more smoothly. So yeah, that's all for this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to stay tuned. Thank you.